Have you ever considered the impact of your gardening habits on our planet? Sustainable gardening isn't just a trend, it's a lifeline for the environment. This practice marries the joy of nurturing plants with the responsibility of preserving our planet, a perfect blend of passion and purpose. Imagine a world where every garden, be it a sprawling field or a tiny balcony space, is a self-sustaining ecosystem. A world where every gardener is a steward of the environment, conserving water, reducing waste, improving soil health, and promoting biodiversity. Sustainable gardening is all about these practices. It's about creating green spaces that are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also eco-friendly. And the best part, it's not as complicated as one might think. From composting kitchen scraps and collecting rainwater for irrigation to using organic fertilizers, these practices are simple, yet have a profound impact on the environment. They not only minimize waste and conserve natural resources, but also lead to healthier and more productive gardens. In this video, you will learn simple yet effective sustainable gardening practices that you can start implementing today. Water is a precious resource. By adopting smart watering techniques, we can conserve it and ensure our plants thrive. So how can we do this? One approach is by planting drought-tolerant plants. These hardy species require less water and can survive in dry conditions, making them an ideal choice for sustainable gardens. Another technique is to water your plants during cooler parts of the day, typically early morning or late evening. This helps reduce water evaporation, ensuring that more of it gets to your plant's roots where it's needed most. But what about when it rains? Well, instead of letting that water flow away, why not capture it? Installing rain barrels allows you to collect rainwater for later use. It's a simple, cost-effective method that not only conserves water, but also decreases your reliance on municipal water supplies. So, whether you're choosing drought-tolerant plants, watering wisely, or collecting rainwater, you're contributing to water conservation and creating a more sustainable garden. Remember, every drop counts when it comes to water conservation in our gardens. If you are finding this video informative and helpful, don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell. Your participation is invaluable and greatly appreciated as it helps support the channel and allows us to continue creating content that empowers you on your health journey. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for products that promote a healthy life. Let's continue with the video. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive garden. Let's explore how to nurture it sustainably. Soil health is crucial for plant growth. It provides essential nutrients, supports root structures, and is a habitat for beneficial organisms. One of the best ways to enrich your soil is through composting kitchen scraps. Composting is a process that transforms organic waste into nutrient-rich soil conditioner, which can then be added to your garden. It's a fantastic way to recycle your kitchen waste while improving your garden's fertility. Another practice to consider is the use of cover crops. These plants, such as clover or rye, are grown primarily to manage soil erosion, fertility, quality, water, and pests. They protect the soil from harsh weather conditions, and when they decay, they return valuable nutrients back to the soil. Lastly, rotating crops can also maintain soil fertility. This method involves changing the type of plants grown in each area of your garden from season to season. It helps to prevent the depletion of nutrients and breaks the life cycle of pests and diseases. With these practices, you can improve your soil's health while reducing waste and conserving resources. A diverse garden is a healthy garden. But how can we promote biodiversity and control pests organically? Let's explore this fascinating topic. Biodiversity in your garden means a variety of plant species, which can be achieved by planting different types of flowers, fruits, and vegetables. This variety not only adds visual appeal, but also aids in creating a balanced ecosystem. Distinct plant species attract different beneficial insects, like bees and butterflies, that play vital roles in pollination. Now onto organic pest control. This doesn't mean you need to let pests run rampant. Instead, you can employ nature's own pest controllers. Introducing beneficial insects such as ladybugs, spiders, and praying mantises can help keep those pesky insects in check. Moreover, certain plants, like marigolds and garlic, are known for their pest-repelling properties. Planting these can act as a natural deterrent. Another method is creating habitats for wildlife. Birdhouses, bat boxes, and hedgehog homes can encourage these creatures to reside in your garden, and they'll gladly snack on any pests they find. By promoting biodiversity and using organic pest control, we can create a balanced and sustainable garden ecosystem. Sustainable gardening is more than just a practice. It's a commitment to our environment and future generations. Throughout this video, we've introduced you to a world where waste reduction and resource conservation are the norm, not the exception. We've unveiled the power of sustainable gardening, revealing how it underpins the health of our planet and future generations. We've discussed the importance of water conservation, demonstrating how simple techniques like collecting rainwater for irrigation can make a significant impact. We've explored the world beneath our feet, discussing how soil management and fertility are vital to the health of our gardens and the very food we eat. We've also highlighted the importance of nurturing biodiversity in our gardens and employing organic pest control methods. By doing so, we not only protect our local ecosystem, but also contribute to the broader global biodiversity. But the journey doesn't end here. We encourage you to start implementing these practices in your own gardens. Start composting your kitchen scraps. Start collecting rainwater. Start using organic fertilizers. The benefits are not just for your garden, but for the environment as a whole. Remember, it's not about making big changes all at once. It's about making small, consistent efforts that add up over time. And while you're making these changes, don't forget to share your experiences and learnings with others. Join forums like the Gardener's Forum or the Garden Helper. Share your tips and tricks. Learn from others. Together, we can spread the word about sustainable gardening and make a real difference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more information on sustainable gardening. Remember, every small action counts in creating a greener and healthier planet.